watching Food is Medicine TV, where we help you heal from the root cause. And it's cold and flu season, and we need to safeguard ourselves to get over it naturally or even prevent it naturally. So today we are making immune boosting fire cider. This stuff is magic, and you can make it before cold and flu season, and it can become your secret weapon against the cold and flu, or you take it at the first sign when everybody else starts getting sick. We've talked about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar so many times, but we have to talk about it again because there's so many positive, friendly strains of bacteria in apple cider vinegar, and it's really such a comprehensive substance because it actually improves insulin sensitivity by over 30%. That's huge. So it helps with blood glucose levels tremendously. It's an amazing substance in and of itself, but when we kick it up a notch and we add all these other ingredients, we turn it to the next level of fire cider. So here to help me make it is our customer service ninja and healthy foodie, Stacy. Thanks for being here, honey.
Thank you. Hi, you guys.
She is a wonderful cook, and I love everything that you make, always. So you're gonna help us make our fire cider today. This is something that you have to make and store on the counter for 2 to 4 weeks. It's not gonna be ready right away and ready to drink because all the nutritive properties need to settle and blend and meld together, and then you'll be able to use it as a flu shot. So let's make this. Okay, we're gonna use an entire bottle of apple cider vinegar, right?
Yes, we are. First, we add in half a diced onion. You know what? I'm gonna pick this up.
Yeah, just get in there and add it.
Yeah.
So onions are bacteria magnets, and that's why we wanna use them, we wanna eat them, especially raw onions are bacteria magnets. And you can even keep them in your house during cold and flu season. I put one under the bed or one under the cabinet, and they'll attract bacteria even in the air and collect trapped bacteria there. So we start with onions.
Yes, next it's 1 whole diced jalapeno.
Okay, so we call it fire cider, and so the capsaicin in the jalapeno pepper that you're using, that's what has all those properties to start to kill the bad bugs, but it also is going to get circulation going and flowing and allow your body's own system to kick out the bad things.
Next, we add some garlic.
Best antiviral and antibacterial that we have in nature is garlic, so it's good for cold and flu. Okay.
Ginger.
Ginger, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's going to get your hydrochloric acid going. Fantastic.
Turmeric.
We add turmeric to ours because we add turmeric to everything we do here at The Whole Journey, and it slashes cellular inflammation, which is very important. And this one, superstar over here, is horseradish.
Yes.
A lot of horseradish is going in.
It was the most unfamiliar ingredient to me, and everybody that watched me preparing this asked about it. So I just want to point out what it looks like.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like when you buy it in the grocery store. Yeah. Horseradish is very powerful because it has the ability to regulate fluid between our cell membranes, which is a really important part of a well-functioning immune system, but it also has the power to kill not just gram-negative bacteria, but gram-positive bacteria. So we're hitting all aspects of bacteria. We're adding good bacteria, we're killing bad bacteria, we're killing viruses, we're slashing inflammation. You can understand why this is the best flu shot you could ever come across. Okay, it wouldn't be complete without lemon.
Yeah, and you want to use a little bit of lemon zest as well as the juice from 2 lemons. Mm-hmm. That goes right in.
Yeah, so you'd zest the lemons too?
You'd zest the lemon.
All right.
And then finally, you want to press down.
Pretty.
Isn't it beautiful? Mm-hmm. So we want to press down all of the ingredients.
And then you put your vinegar in?
Yep, then you add this in. This is going to sit on the counter for 2 weeks up to a month. And when it's done, you're going to strain it, strain all the vegetables out, and then you can add a little bit of Manuka honey.
Okay, we love Manuka honey. It's super expensive, so you use it sparingly, but it has all the bioactive enzymes and antibacterial. So Manuka honey is the honey that you would use for any type of flu shot. At the first sign of a sore throat, Manuka honey is really helpful with apple cider vinegar to make a tea, and gargle with that tea. So how much honey would you put in? You put it in after the 2 to 4 weeks on the counter.
When you're ready to drink it, to taste. So you want to add as much as you like it, however sweet you'd like to have it.
Okay, so you add it to taste, 2 to 4 weeks on the counter, then you strain it, and then you add, as to taste, your Manuka honey. So I would leave it for a month. When we first made this, we left it for a month if you have the time. If you're rushed, 2 weeks is the minimum to get all the nutritive properties out of it. But after you strain it, I keep it in the fridge after I strain it. And some of you are thinking, that's all well and good, but I'm not gonna make that. And I hear you, that's cool. Maybe you're sick and it's cold and flu season now, so you can always order it online. So now we wanna hear from you. Leave a comment, let us know. Have you ever used fire cider? What are your natural cold and flu remedies? And are you willing and game to make this? Thanks for being here, Stacy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Food as Medicine TV.